Beware, if you're on this video, it's likely that you are looking for ways to make money from home. There are many legitimate ways to do that, from home business to different websites, but there are fake scams out there that are just there to waste your time, to either take your money or collect your personal data, and you'll never see a single red cent. Now, we've got lots of videos on our channel to help you with legitimate ways to make money from home, but I recently came across a scam that I want to warn you about that I don't want you to fall for. Hey, it's Leah Ray from TideandLeahRay.com, and I want to warn you about Wolfpoints.com. I actually ran across this website from, I think, probably a fellow YouTuber, just looking at different websites. You know, I'm always evaluating things to get you guys the best of the best. And I found the website and I started playing with it and digging around. And unfortunately, it really looks like it's a scam. I have yet to find a single person online who says they've been paid from the website. So because I couldn't find any reviews, I actually went in, signed up, and spent some time on it myself. And guess what? I couldn't get paid. This is a website that claims that you can get paid for doing surveys and different tasks online for them. However, I actually went through and did a survey for them, and it really wasn't a survey. It was them simply collecting my information that I could tell that they were going to sell to other people. It wasn't a valuable survey that marketers would actually use. They were going to sell my information, so thankfully I hadn't given them any real information. Once I completed their survey, it didn't show any of the points for actually completing the tasks. And plus, they said that they gave me 100 points when I first signed up, just as a bonus for signing up, and you aren't able to actually cash that out like they say you can. So I tried to cash out, and it just isn't an option to do. Their system isn't responsive. And actually today I was going to walk you through their system, and it looks like it's partially down. So their main homepage to suck in your information and to scam you is still up, but if you dig around on their website and it's down for maintenance, that's usually not a good sign either. Before you sign up for this stuff, you should look for some reviews, and you want to find people who say they've actually been paid, and not reviews on their website because they just set those up. I'm talking about reviews on other sites where people have said they have been paid out by this website. Before you spend your time or give your personal information to any kind of site like that, you want to make sure it's legit, and that's a really good way to do it. If the website's super impersonal or any of the testimonies have really like plain Jane names and kind of seem like fake people, that's not a good sign either. And if some of their website doesn't work or it's really slow servers, that sort of thing, those are all signs, red flags that you should be aware of that what you're looking at might be a scam. So Wolfpoints.com is definitely not something that I'd recommend. Now I'm going to put a card up here so you can go in and look at several websites that are legit that you can make real money with. But if you are looking to make more of a passive income and actually set up a business where you can go from 0 to 6 figures and 6 figures to 7 or beyond, then you definitely want to check out the training, the top link in the description. Make sure to grab access to that, because